Hi guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 things to do to strengthen your scholarship applications even before you start applying. So if you're just starting off applying for scholarships, there are things you should do to prepare yourself to make sure that your application stands out and you get an interview invite in no time. This video is important to anybody, whether you are a novice, you don't know anything about scholarships abroad, or you've been applying for scholarships and you've not been successful, and maybe you're thinking of what you can do better to improve your chances of getting a scholarship. The first thing I would advise you do is to start gathering your travel documents as well as your certificate. And if you're wondering what documents you need, check out the tagged video above. So for you to get a scholarship, you should have your documents, some documents such as your international passports, which is very important. In fact, some scholarship applications would ask you for your international passport number before you can even apply. Following your international passport, you should also get your undergraduate certificate, assuming you're applying for a master's degree or a PhD. So you have to get your certificate and your transcript for your previous degrees. This is really important because in some countries it can take a while before you get these documents. It is important for you to start gathering these documents and follow any necessary protocols so that when you have seen a scholarship you want to apply to, the absence of these documents do not deter you from applying. The second important thing you should do is to take internships. This is very important if you are applying for practical courses in your master's, or you want to do a PhD, or even if you just want to go into industry. It is important to you to take internships, whether they are paid or not paid. If you're just a fresh graduate out of school, you do not have any work experience, an internship is a good way to improve your CV and to give you some work experience, and not just work experience. If you're doing an internship in your particular area, this will also give you experience in the skills that you might encounter during your master's or your PhD studies. So take advantage of any internship, whether it's an online or offline internship. Volunteer as much as possible and make sure you build your work experience. The third important thing is to publish your undergraduate project. If you're going for a research master's or a PhD, it is important to show that you have previous experience of research. And what is the best way to show that you have this experience is by showing that you have published some works. Let's say you're just fresh out of university. The simplest way to publish a paper is simply to publish your undergraduate project. Before you publish this, please make sure to stay in contact with your supervisor to make sure that this is a good topic, this is a relevant topic. You don't want to publish for the sake of publishing, or publishing things that are not relevant. Or let's say you even copied someone's work, please do not publish this. Make sure you're only publishing original work. Another way to also add to your publications is to collaborate with your classmates or your colleagues, your senior or junior colleagues. So ask them if you can help them review their papers, and then they can just add your name for a fee and you guys can publish together. Collaboration helps you gain more research and publishing experience even without being involved in every single step of all of them. The last point is to learn data analysis. There is almost no type of research or no subject area that doesn't involve data analysis. Whether you are in the sciences, you're in the arts, you're in the humanities, you are going to come across data analysis. And having an experience or having a knowledge of data analysis is going to be a great game changer, especially if you're applying for a research master's or if you're applying for a PhD. You don't even need to go too deep. You can start from the basics, learn how to use Excel spreadsheets, and learn a statistical software such as SPSS. At least that's the basic. Or learn how to use some tools such as t-test, chi-square, regression analysis, ANOVA, etc. It is important for you to have this skill because it will set you apart. Go ahead, go to YouTube, go to Udemy, go to LinkedIn Learning, take free courses and equip yourself with the knowledge and experience of data analysis. If you learned something from this video, make sure you subscribe, give this video a like, and tell me when you want to start applying for your scholarships. And who knows, I will be in the comment section giving you more tips on what you can do to make sure you get a scholarship. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.